Oh, the Avenida Doutor Soares. And you got this kind of cool thing right here. Amazing little thing. I don't know what it is exactly. Always been a little bit curious. But in this one, that's of New Johan. So this particular one, we're going to be doing this whole video. Let's kind of walk down this a little bit. Got all kinds of interesting stuff here. Okay, let's stay tuned and I'll get more into it. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is I was gonna do. This is worth its own little video. So this right here kind of comes out to this little park right here. This is Grand Praia. So this whole thing right here is Grand Praia all the way across over on that side. This is all new. So this would have been all reclaimed land, all ocean in the past, and then that would have been the waterfront up where all those rows of buildings are at, and all the way here, City Hall at one time. Now I think it's turned to different things. Metropole Hotel, all that would have been on the waterfront. And then they reclaimed all this land and they built stuff like this, these roads here with all these new things like department store, this kind of cool looking thing. And I did do another video on Avenida, on this same Avenida, but this one's going to be a little bit different because I thought I'd highlight this little street right here because there's a lot of kind of interesting stuff in here. And I think it's worthy of the video. New Johan is over there. So we're going to do this one a little bit differently because we're going to go on this other side of the street. This right here says Luso International Banking. Luso is like basically like Portuguese world kind of stuff, which is kind of interesting because later they're building a hang-shing thing with the Portuguese money to be China dealing with the Latin world. So this Luso Chinese bank is kind of interesting. Okay, so let's just walk down this avenue that we're on. There's kind of some cool stuff here. All the way across like that. And we're going to keep on going down. Then you can also see some hotels. There's New Johan department store and also Grandview. And we're kind of near Sintra. You got this nice black and white tiles everywhere as well. We're just going to walk down. Manning's. This is like a pharmacy. Macau Square. I have been in there before. It kind of targets towards mainland Chinese tourists. Bunch of almost only like fast food Chinese restaurants. The red bike parked illegally. Moncha, I think that's coffee. And then we're going to end up by this park over here. And you saw my other video, currency exchange. This is part of the Sintra. There's Hotel Sintra right there. And this kind of goes into this little park right here. I think what we'll do is kind of walk around Sintra briefly. I don't know, maybe we'll end it right there. I think that's kind of worth seeing what we saw. And we did another video where we kind of walked through that a little bit. And we also did it on that side of the street. So this one is kind of a shorter one and it's on this side of the street. We're going to kind of highlight all that we did. Okay, let's just walk right up to here. Okay, so that's the street that we just did. Hope you like that one.